haven't seen that vlog, definitely go check it out. I made cakesicles and shortbread cookies shaped like snowflakes. So, a little tired this morning. I didn't wake up early to go to the gym because I didn't go to bed until after midnight last night. So, I will try to go to the gym when I get home from work. Oh, when I was decorating the snowflake cookies last night, I Snapchatted them to a few people, and one of the girls that I work with was like, "Are you selling those?" And I was like, "Well, I have an extra dozen if you want to buy them." So I ended up being able to sell the extra dozen that I had, which was really good. So I have them here, and I'm taking those to work for her. So that worked out well. After I edited my video last night of like the cakesicles and the cookies, I uploaded it and then I watched it back this morning, and the little thing that goes across the screen here that says what time it was, it just said add text here. But I already uploaded it, I already exported it from iMovie, like I was just done. So everybody noticed that because it was the first thing that you saw, but I just didn't have the time to go back and fix it. So just imagine it said 5:30 or 5:48 or something. Hey guys, it is much later and I'm home now. It's 25 after 5 and I'm just up. I'm just making my vlog public that I edited last night. So everything I filmed last night I post the next day. I know a lot of people aren't interested in watching vlogs, but I watch vlogs, so that's why I watch a lot of vlog style videos, so that's what I'm interested in right now, and I am trying to incorporate some baking as well. I keep thinking it's Friday because I worked on Sunday, so it feels like today should be Friday, but I have to go to work tomorrow, so I'll check in a little bit if I do anything crazy. Okay, Chip and I were out for a walk. He looks unhappy. I don't know why, that's just his face. His favorite thing is neck scratches. Anyways, so I decided against going to the gym. I'm having like twinging back pain, and it's going down my leg a little bit. That happens sometimes when I stand too long. And I was decorating those cookies and cakesicles last night until pretty late, so I think it's just that, and then me standing today. I don't want to lift any weights when I'm having tingling down my leg, so I'm just gonna take a rest day tonight and get in the shower. The Canada game is on tonight, and Seamus is there, so I'm just gonna watch it while I edit. And yeah, so I didn't film much today, but I thought I'd answer a couple questions. I got this question twice, asking what I do for work, because I spoke about how I'm back at the hospital. I'm not a CCA or an LPN, I'm actually a physiotherapy assistant. So just like what it sounds like, I assist the physiotherapist. I work in inpatient, so patients that have been admitted to the units, and I go around the hospital with the physiotherapist, and they assess people's movements, and we walk them down the hall or do exercises in the bed or anything like that, and then work towards the goal of getting them to go back home. So that's what I do. If you have any other questions, you can definitely ask down below. And then just one second, I check what the other one was. Okay, and then one of the other questions I was getting asked a lot is, where do I get my cupcake boxes? So I made a bunch of extra ones, so they're sitting over here. But they're just, you could look them up on Amazon. If you just type in cupcake boxes on Amazon, that's where I got them. And you can buy them in smaller packs of 25 and 50, I think, but I usually get the 100, and then I'll have enough for a little while. Does anyone else lay everything out before you go to bed, like for the next day, or am I crazy? So in the bathroom, I set out my work clothes and my gym clothes if I'm going to go to the gym in the morning, and then I have my face cream and toner, my mascara and eyebrow stuff, and I have my earrings that I'm going to wear, and my deodorant, and this is my retainer, and it lives there for now. So I have all of that ready. Normally I keep my lunch bag here. Normally, if I have to get up early, I am going to pack my lunch. So when I pack my lunch, I normally do it like when I'm making supper. So if there's enough for my lunch, I will do that. But I think I'm just gonna have enough for my supper tonight. I need to remember to eat this. Oh, this salad is actually expired tomorrow, so we're gonna eat that for lunch tomorrow. I'm just going to pack my lunch And actually, I'm gonna turn the TV on because the Canada game is on, and I don't normally watch hockey, but I think I'm gonna watch this game. And Seamus is there, so maybe we'll see him.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of?
Okay, so it's a little bit later. I have to edit this video, so I'm gonna end it here. I have been on the computer working on like a Google slide presentation for my family. We're going to Disney World in November, and I'm a Disney adult. My brother's only been once. Seamus has been once, and I think my brother's wife, Holly, may have been once as a child, but my parents never went, and Olivia never went. I'm planning a trip for us for possibly 10 days in November. I'm making like a slideshow type thing to show them everything that we can do, and then we're gonna have to make some decisions before we book anything. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. It is 9:41 and I have to edit this video before I go to bed. So I'm just going to end it here. This may have been the most boring one yet. I don't know. But if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Stay tuned for the video tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
I wonder